Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the items that have been added to your wishlist on the Zara application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the shopping bag icon down below, which is the last option. Now select the wishlist section by tapping on it. Scroll down, tap on this icon in the right side of the screen, then tap on See List. Now all of your items that have been added to your wishlist will appear to you in a second, and you are ready to purchase them by tapping on the Add to Bag icon, or do whatever you would like to do with it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.